If I may respond, Mr. Chair. If I may refresh the memory of the good senator, during the last hearing of November 14, 2025, that matter that you raised about the statement made by the former Secretary of Justice was already put on the side when you asked that question. And we already informed the chairman that if they wish to file their application, if they wish to be processed, they go to the Department of Justice. Binanggit po yan, nasa transcripts po yan na sinasabi niyo, o sige, wala mo nang pag-uusapang restitution. But did they ever come to the department to coordinate with us? No, they did not. And let me just put it on record, sir, na hindi po ito question na kung sinong nauna na nagsalita. Hindi po ito question kung sino yung naunang nagbanggit ng napakaraming pangalan, kung hindi rin naman nila kayang suportahan ng ebidensya at wala rin naman silang mabibigay na magpuprove o magpapatunay doon sa kanilang mga sinasabi. Yan po ang kailangan naming suriin.